Welcome to Naomi's Filipino Kitchen, or as they say in the Philippines, mabuhay! Today, I'm going to show you how to cook tuna burger Filipino style. Wait until the end of this video for a sneaky peek of some of my other recipes. Here are the ingredients of today's dish: tuna, cooking oil, eggs, onion, flour, ground black pepper, salt, and carrot. Now let's start cooking by preparing the tuna. I hope you enjoyed the recipe today, and if you like it, then like it, and if you love it, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Hey guys, if you want to see how I cook honey garlic prawns, click here. And if you want to see how I cook lao oy, the fried fish soup, click here. Thanks for watching. See you soon.